Good morning, everyone. Let me close my blinds. The sun is barreling through, although it looks beautiful. It's barreling through. Let's see if this, there we go. That's a little better. So I'm just here making some vintage Christmas cards. I thought I'd turn it on. I made some a couple of weeks ago. As you know, I sold a lot last year, so I thought I'd make a bunch. And I went over on Rosie Studio, and there was a tutorial on how to make this type of pattern on your for your card base. It's 3 different papers, and you put them in the cutter a certain way. And I'm just going to link the tutorial down so you guys can see it in its entirety. And so I'm in the process now of just doing some decorations, trying to, again, use up all these bits and pieces of, I think this is Simple Stories something or another. I just got a whole bunch of vintage things on my table here. So I pulled out my little leaf and branches container, and that I've had for a long time. I've cut them and cut them and cut them, and I just put them in here so they look like this. Just trying to use them. And I think when you're doing the vintage look, leaves and stuff like that really look good. So that's all I'm doing is improvising, just kind of going with it. I was looking at tutorials and other videos, and I just had to stop because I can't create what I want unless I just go ahead and create it, right? And then it has my look. So basically, I have my card. I think this is 4 1/4, 5 1/2. And then what I did was cut a piece of vellum. You can't see that, but the vellum is 4 by 5 1/4. And then once you cut out these 3 patterns and you tape them onto the vellum, then you have your base, right? And then I just took a circle punch and cut out some wood grain paper. And this was a piece that was left over, kind of crooked, but I wanted to use it. So I'm just using this marble paper pad, and just wood grain papers in different tones, different colors. So I am going to put some tape on the back of the card. I've made, like I said, I made some using the Rosie Studios collections that I have, and they're adorable. But I rolled into the vintage world yesterday, and I just thought, okay, well, let's go vintage. You know, there may be some folks out there that like that style of card. So I'm just going to put a big wad of tape here down the center of this, the back of this card. My daughter just came in the room and said, "You want to go to Target?" So I'm like, oh gosh, so let me just finish this. I as you know, I like to be able to do a little every day. That's the only way it's going to get done, is to bite the elephant, like chew it one bite at a time, however that goes. What is this? This is empty already? Can't be. Oh my gosh. These tape. We're just going to try to use this as much as we can. It's just broke. Stupid tape gun. I need to just bring out my ATG. Old school. And it's all ready to go. So let's just use this. Put these little wussy tapes to the side. Okay, let's peel this off. Let me stay focused here. Okay, so then I'm going to put this on the back, the front of this card base. And I think with this base, it's a little off of each side to show, and then it's leveled at the top. If that makes any sense. Let's get this here. I'll go back like another time and I'll stamp the inside of the card. I'm gonna have to do that with a lot of them. Okay, so there we go here. Now here's my little wooden stocking that I put some little greenery behind. And then I think I have a bow I want to put on here. I found, where are they? I thought I had a bow. Here we go. It's a glitter one. I don't really care. I'm just gonna go with it. Let's put this here, like so. Okay. So I plan on putting this here. And then this is a sticker from Comfort and Joy by My Mind's Eye, right? It has that vintage look. So I just took this wreath off and then I put a bigger chip or cardboard circle back, and I'm gonna pop it up on some foam. This off. I've been up quite early this morning, you guys. It's the first thing I tend to do. I get up, go downstairs, get a cup of coffee, and I come in here. You know, and if I'm in here for an hour, I'm happy. I am content and satisfied. So, let's go ahead and get this. I don't know why I keep putting this away, excuse me. Okay, now with this guy, I'm going to put some, same thing, some foam, but I think this is too tall, so I'm going to go back to my flatter dimensional adhesives and so let's see, let's put some right here. And actually, before I do that, I'm going to, I cut out this circle of vellum, and I'm going to, I kind of want to do it like that. Then I want to cut these sides off. There we go. And now I will put this here and this one here. So I don't know what my daughter wants to get at Target, but I do know that Home Goods and TJ Maxx are across the street from where we're going. And just to be able to get out in the sun. You know, we work, you know, 5 days a week, 2 of which I work from home, so I'm inside. And then the other 3 at the office, I'm inside. And I don't want to pass up this beautiful weather. So the weekends, we just have to use it and get out and absorb it all. So I'm going to put the stocking at an angle. I also have some gems that I want to put on here, if I can find where they are. Gosh, you ever get like this? Your desk just gets, I mean, everything's in front of you, but you can't find nothing. I don't understand. Here we go. These are Spellbinders Gold Mix gems. And I think I'm going to do, let's see here. Okay. Okay, let's get this down here. That's going to go here. And then I'm just going to use some of these gems to bring the attention. Let's go ahead and glue this down now. Bring the attention to the stocking. There we go. So one gem there. One gem there. And the last one here. Here. Okay. Open that up. I'll put a sentiment. I'll stamp it on the back. And there are 3 of them. Like I said, I'm going to put the tutorial, share it with you so you can follow along. And you can make this card using 3 different pattern papers. I thought it was just a cool idea. So, put some of this stuff back. So here is one that I created. And here is another one. This chipboard sheet that I had 3 stockings. And I'm just using, like I said, everything from what's to the left over here. And then the third one is this one here. Stocking. So I have 3 kind of vintagey type cards made with 3 of the pattern papers. And I believe the pattern papers are from, what is it? The stockings are from Comfort and Joy. This is a chipboard by My Mind's Eye. So you can see the 3 stockings I pulled off there. And then the paper as well is from Comfort and Joy. This goes way, way back. It looks like this, My Mind's Eye. So these are the papers, I believe. Yeah, there's the red and white, stripe, the music sheet paper, and then the light green right there. Yeah. So this was $6.99 at Tuesday Morning many, many years ago. So if you have it, pull it out. It's totally vintage. And go ahead and create yourself some cards. So have a great morning. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye now.